Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic LUSD price analysis, price prediction. Now, when this coin was trading with a market cap of about $43 billion, Terra Classic LUSD price was trading at $129. Now, this was about last year before the crash of Terra Classic LUSD. Now, if the market cap, remember earlier, the market cap rise back to $2 billion before dropping back to $1 billion. Now, if the market cap of Terra Classic hit back at $43 billion market cap, will Terra Classic price hit $129 as it was before the crash? Now, this question, some people actually sent me a mail asking me if the market cap hit, but remember that when the market cap was trading between $546 million and $600 million, Terra Classic price was trading at $1. Today, the market cap is trading at about $1 billion, and Terra Classic price is still trading at with 0.000. You see, everything have changed now. With a market cap of $5 billion, Terra Classic can delete 1 0. That simply means we still have 0.001. Alright? Now, Terra Classic needs a market cap of about between over $5 billion to $10 billion in order to hit 1 penny, in order to hit 1 cent. And if Terra Classic can eventually hit back at $43 billion market cap, then this coin might be trading at between $1 and $5. So it's no longer $129. Okay, and I believe it depends on how Terra Classic is able to destroy the number of supplies they have, how Terra Classic is able at least to get more partnership, more exchangers listening this coin, how Terra Classic is able to grow a large community back, how Terra Classic is able to partner with other crypto coins and crypto exchanges around the world. I believe this coin has a future. Terra Classic has a future. With the support from Binance founder CZ, this coin can really hit a massive increase in price, I tell you. But one thing is for sure, Terra Classic market cap right now needs to hit at least $5 billion market cap in order to at least Terra Classic hit between 1 cent or almost 1 cent. With $5 billion market cap, it will get the interest, and many people will have faith back on Terra Classic. People lost a lot, so people are still scared of putting their money into Terra Classic. So getting such market cap, I believe it is going to be a bonus for this coin. But gradually, Terra Classic is going to hit such a market cap. And I believe one day, don't be surprised to see Luna, to see LUNC at $43 billion market cap, but the price might not be trading the way it was. This time around, it might be between $1 or $5, maximum maybe $10. But anything can happen in crypto industry. So once again, thank you for stopping by this channel. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.